Do you ever feel like keeping your home clean is an impossible mountain to climb? Like no matter how hard you try, you're always buried under dishes, drowning in laundry, and surrounded by clutter? You're not alone. But what if I told you that cleaning isn't about discipline or moral virtue? It's actually a form of self-care. That's the revolutionary message of How to Keep House While Drowning by Casey Davis. And in the next few minutes, I'll share how this approach can transform your relationship with housekeeping forever. One of the most liberating ideas in this book is that cleaning is completely morally neutral. Your ability or inability to keep up with housework has absolutely nothing to do with your value as a person. Think about it. If someone is battling depression, overwhelmed with childcare, working multiple jobs, or managing chronic illness, would you call them lazy for having a messy home? Of course not. Yet we relentlessly shame ourselves when our spaces aren't picture perfect. Casey Davis invites us to drop this toxic guilt entirely. Your worth isn't measured in spotless countertops or dust-free shelves. You deserve care and comfort regardless of how your home looks. Now let's talk practical solutions. Davis introduces a brilliantly simple strategy called 5 Things, 5 Minutes that has changed thousands of lives. According to Davis, every mess in your home falls into just 5 categories. Number 1, trash, items that need to be discarded. Number 2, dishes, anything that belongs in the kitchen. Number 3, laundry, clothes that need washing or put away. Number 4, things with a place, items that have a designated home. Number 5, things without a place, items that need a storage solution. Instead of facing the entire overwhelming mess, just focus on one category at a time. Set a timer for 5 minutes and tackle just that category. The transformation, you'll make meaningful progress without burning out. And here's the permission slip you needed. If 5 minutes is genuinely all you can manage today, that's enough. You'll still move forward. Perhaps the most radical concept in Davis's approach is that care tasks exist to serve you, not some abstract standard of domestic perfection. A clean home isn't a moral obligation or a reflection of your character. It's simply about creating a space that supports your life and well-being. This means giving yourself full permission for functional solutions, even if they're unconventional. If paper plates reduce your stress during busy seasons, use them without guilt. Need to keep clean laundry in baskets instead of perfectly folded in drawers? That works too. Want to keep bathroom cleaning wipes in every bathroom instead of hauling supplies around? Absolutely valid. The goal isn't Instagram-worthy perfection. It's making your home work for you and your unique needs. Davis encourages practical, realistic approaches that acknowledge our human limitations. Closing duties routine. Instead of exhaustive cleaning, choose 2 to 3 simple tasks before bed: clearing the sink, quick countertop wipe, or setting up coffee for the morning. Laundry shortcuts. Consider the clean enough approach. Sort into broad categories rather than perfect organization. Visual containment. Using attractive baskets to gather clutter creates visual order, even when you can't perfectly organize. The drop zone. Designate an area for items you don't have time to put away immediately. If housekeeping has felt like an endless, impossible battle, remember these core principles. Your home state is not a reflection of your worth or character. The 5 Things system breaks overwhelming spaces into manageable parts. Care tasks should serve your well-being, not drain it further. Progress over perfection. Functional solutions trump Pinterest perfect aesthetics every time. This approach has helped thousands of people with ADHD, depression, chronic illness, overwhelming schedules, and more to create more functional homes without the soul-crushing shame. If this resonates with you, I highly recommend checking out How to Keep House While Drowning. I've included a link to the book in the description below where you can learn more and pick up your own copy. It might just transform not only your home, but how you see yourself. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps others find this content and supports the channel. Share in the comments which of these ideas resonated most with you. I'd love to know what clicked.